While we always recommend using the Insights Discovery 4-color model as a simple and effective way to recognize personality preferences, we also encourage you, when possible, to have conversations with others to share your 8 types. By sharing and discussing your types, you can build a deeper understanding of each other and strengthen your connections. The key to understanding the 8-color model is recognizing that we are all a blend of color energies. We are not just our top color. Often, what sits underneath our leading color really determines how we are being perceived by others. For example, imagine 2 people who both lead with fiery red energy. One has sunshine yellow as their second color. They move fast and celebrate their successes with enthusiasm. The other person has cool blue as their second color. They also focus on getting things done, but with precision and careful planning. See the difference? Even though both individuals are fiery red, their secondary color changes their approach, behavior, and communication style. This is why looking beyond someone's leading color energy gives you a more complete and accurate understanding of who they are. When you start seeing people in full color, rather than just their leading top color, you'll notice even greater depth in their personalities. And the more you refine this skill, the better you'll become at adapting, connecting, and communicating with those around you.